Hey guys, I want to share some of the tools I use on my phone, and this can help you find pictures and make quotes and analytics and schedule your posts. So the first thing I want to go over are some of the apps I use to find pictures. Some are 500 pics, Flickr, Tumblr. You can find a lot of pics on the web, but these are nice tools you could use just to find them really quickly. Just follow the types of accounts you want, Inger and stuff like that. And there's one called Splasher. This one is it takes content from unsplash.com, and it's like pixabay.com. There's free photos that you could use, and they have a lot of clean photos that you could take from there. Once you have a photo, you could go to Fonto and then make your quote. And so just choose the photo that you want, and then crop it to the desired size you want. A lot of people tint the photos so that when they make a quote, it pops out more. So click on the bottom left, go to change theme, click a filter you want, and then go to color, and then on the bottom part where it says alpha, you could change the tinting to how you want it to be like. And you go to top right, click use, and then click anywhere on the picture and add text, and add the quote that you want. And see, you see like these smart words that come up. It's because I've typed this before. So this is a tool called SwiftKey. You can look it up in the App Store. And basically, it lets you save the types of words that you use consistently. So if you're typing captions a lot, and a lot of them are the same, or even hashtags, then this is a good tool to use because it tracks what kind of words that you keep using. So then you click done, and, you increase the size, you click style, go to spacing, and where it says line, you lower the line so it's at the desired spacing you want. Go to the size that you want, and then that's how you make a quote, basically, like that. And then you could use watermarking tools to put your logo on, or to put something else you want. So that's one tool, Fonto. Another photo editing tool that you could use is called Over. So Over has a lot of predetermined templates, so does WordSwag and all those other apps, but I don't want to go over them all because there's too many. But Fonto is one of the ones I mainly use. You could download Social Blade, like we talked about, right, to track your accounts as well. You could favorite accounts that you want to track, consistently or pretty often. There's a repost app that I use, Insta Repost. So you could go and find the types of photos that you want, take the kind of content that you like, and then just make sure to credit the content creators, right? So those are some of the tools. And as far as scheduling your posts, this is a tool that one of my friends made. It's called Unum, and you could save your posts here, add a post that you want. You could schedule when you want them to be posted. Click on the top right, set reminders for yourself. On the bottom right, you could see your last 12 posts, how they did, your followers, the best times to post, the hashtags. This is a pretty new app, so I'm not sure exactly how they're going to be doing, or just the path they're headed, but for now it seems pretty good to use. Remember, apps come and go all the time, so you want to just make sure you try a lot of different ones, see which ones work for you. Another one that I recently found was analytics. It's called Instagram Analytics. It's going to look like that icon. Right now it's not working, but basically it's a more real-time statistic of the data that you have. So it tells you how many followers you're gaining each day. It tells you, you could kind of track other people's following too. So this is kind of like Social Blade, but a more in-depth and accurate kind of tracking tool. So check that out. It's called Instagram Analytics in the App Store, and it looks like this sign you see here. So those are just some of the tools. Another tool I use is Dropbox. And so I save a lot of the pictures for my pages here. and so they're all stored in one place. I could access them whenever I want, and they have all the pictures that I need, and you could just repost content from the past as well. Some other apps I'm trying to so these are some of the tools like Mega Follow, Get Likes. You could use it, but it takes a lot of time to follow people and get them to follow you back. But those are some tools you could check out as well. Visco and Snapseed, they're photo editing apps, so you can check those out. But basically, the main ones were the photo editing, the scheduling, and the analytics tools that I wanted to share. So there's a lot of messaging apps too, like Kik, Telegram, GroupMe that you can download, and there's a lot of groups on there that you can be a part of. So once you're at a certain size, or once you get the right connections, you can get included into those groups. So yeah, those are some of the apps I wanted to show you guys. You can download it and test them out today, and hope it helps you guys out with your clients. And we'll see you guys in the next video.